Alright, this video is on how to use your workforce tile cutter. What I've got here is a Rockwell Jawhorse holding it in place, right? So what I'm going to do is push this one forward to secure it. I want to have something nice and secure in here. So if you haven't seen my video on how to use one of these yet, I'll put a link to it right here. That's not going anywhere. Let's just go ahead and plug this in. You see this here? This is where the water goes. You want to fill the water up to about this line right here. Not as high as you can right there. Really, you can use this thing as a guide too, and you can do complex angles here if you want. This thing here will slide up and down this way and that way. Right, so you can push it that way. Now if you need to do different angles, you will also, okay. Has to be sitting on the bottom like that, okay, and the water level's right up to there. Okay, so for now this cut, I'm going to flip that around that way, get it lined up to where you want it, press it in there, now you're ready to go. So you need to bump this up like this and raise that up. That way the piece can slide under there. That was one of the things I did here. Was if you want to make a cut here, you just set this, right? You can move this, and you set it, kind of set it like that. You get a nice clean cut.